Hello, little learners. Welcome to the Guess the Fruit game. I will give you some clues and you have to guess the fruit. Before starting, please subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Are you ready? Let's go.
I'm red, green, or yellow like peoples. People say I keep the doctor away. I am crunchy and sweet, can you guess what I am?
Apple. Great job. Apples are super healthy.
I am yellow and curved.
Monkeys love to eat me.
I peel before you eat me.
What am I?
Banana. Well done. Bananas give you lots of energy.
I am round and orange in color. I'm full of vitamin C. You can squeeze me into juice. What am I?
Orange. Awesome. Oranges help keep us strong and healthy.
I am small, red, and have tiny seeds on my skin. I am very sweet and used in cakes and ice cream.
Guess what fruit I am?
Strawberry. Yay, strawberries are so delicious.
I have a spiky green top.
I am yellow inside and super juicy.
I'm often on pizzas. Wait, what am I?
Pineapple. Great job. Pineapples are tropical fruits.
I am big and green on the outside. I am red with black seeds inside. I keep you cool in the summer. What am I?
Watermelon. Wow. Watermelons are perfect for hot days.
I am called the king of fruits.
I am sweet, juicy, and yellow inside. I grow in warm places. Can you guess me?
Mango. Fantastic. Mangoes are loved all over the world. Wow, you did amazing today. How many fruits did you guess correctly? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun games. See you next time. Bye-bye.